Greetings and salutations to all of you tuning in. On this channel, you can expect to stay informed on the latest and most esteemed airdrops, as I'll be consistently sharing updates with you. Greetings, I would like to teach you how to earn 10.2 BNB on TrustWallet. Currently, I have 0.1 BNB for now. To participate in the airdrop, first, open your web browser and search suzerainpepe.network. Wait a while for loading the page. This is some information of this project. Scroll down. Click on the airdrop button. This is the airdrop of the project. You can use both Ethereum network and BSC network to claim and swap this token. Now, we can see the contract of the token. Let's copy it. Switch back to your wallet and add this token. To do this, click on Add Token, and then click the plus symbol to add a new token. Next, paste the contract you copied earlier into the appropriate field and save the changes. Now, you should have 0 token in your wallet. To obtain airdrop token, let's come back to the website. The token must be exchanged on the same network. Click on the Claim button on the website. Then, click on the Connect button to connect your wallet. Once your wallet is connected, click on the Approve button to confirm the transaction. Go back to your wallet. Then ensure that it has been reloaded. You should now see 100 billion tokens in your balance. Let's swap them for BNB. To swap this token, please revisit the website and click on the Swap button. After waiting for the page to load, proceed by clicking the Sign button for the signature request. Once completed, you will be able to swap this token. You can swap this token to BNB or ETH if you like. Scroll down. Here are some information you must pay attention to. You can swap on Ethereum chain and Binance Smart Chain. Great, now you're almost done. Click on the Swap button. Then, approve the smart contract call to complete the token swap. Confirm it. You have completed all the steps. Let's switch back to your wallet. Reload it. You should now have over 10.3 BNB in your balance. Then enjoy your beautiful day. Share this airdrop before it's ended, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more airdrop. See you the next one.